Good morning, students. In our previous lecture, we have studied about multiplication of two-digit number by one digit. Today, we are going to learn multiplication of two-digit number by two-digit numbers. Let us discuss with the help of this example. The cost of 1 kilogram potatoes is rupees 35. Then find the cost of 18 kilogram potatoes. In this question, the cost of 1 kilogram potatoes is given to us and we have to find the cost of 18 such potatoes. So in this question, the value of one thing is given to us and we have to find the value of more than one thing. So we have to multiply 35 by 18. So let us start doing multiplication. 35 multiply, this is the sign of multiplication, by 18. Now this is two digit number, so first of all write here places, ones place and then tens place. Now we will multiply 35 by 18. Procedure is same as we have done multiplication of two digit number by one digit number. First of all we will multiply 35 by 8 in the same way as we have done in our previous lecture. So start doing multiplication 35 by 8. We will start multiplication from right side, that is from ones place. So 8 5 ja 40. So here 0 and 4 will be carried to the next place, that is at tens place. Now 8 3 ja 3 tens here, 3 tens into 8. So 8 3 ja 24, 24 plus 4 28. So I will write here 28. Now we will multiply 35 by 1. For this, first of all we will put a sign of cross here and then we will multiply 35 by 1 in the same way as we have multiplied 35 by 8. So let us start doing multiplication. 5 ones into 1. So 5 1 ja 5. So here 5. Now 3 tens here, 3 into 1. So here 3. So our answer is 35. Now we will add these two numbers. So our answer is 0 plus 0 0. 8 plus 5 13. So here 3 1 carry. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 1 carry 6. So our answer is 630. So the value of 18 kilogram potatoes is rupees 630. Now let us discuss some another example. Suppose we want to multiply 34 by 16. So let us start in the same way. First of all write here places, ones place and then tens place. So start doing multiplication. First of all we will multiply 74 by 6. So here 74 into 6. Now start doing multiplication. 6 4 ja 24. So here 4 and 2 will add to next place. Now 6 7 ja 42. 42 plus 2 carry here. So 44 is the answer. So our answer is 444. Now we will multiply 74 by 1. So first of all we put a sign of cross here. Now start doing multiplication. 74 into 1. So first of all we will do multiplication at ones place. 1 into 4. 4 ones into 1. So here 4. Now 7 into 1. So here 7. Now we will add these two numbers. So 4 cross means 0. We can write here 0 also. So 4 plus 0 4. 4 plus 4 here 8 and 7 plus 4 11. So our answer is 1184. In this way we can do multiply of two digit number by two digit number. Let us discuss some more examples. We are multiplying 42 here and we are multiplying it by 12. So put a sign of cross here. Now again in the same way, first of all we will write here places, ones place and then here tens place. Now first of all we will multiply 42 by 2. So start doing multiplication. 2 into 2, 2 2 ja 4 here. Then 2 into 4, 2 4 ja 8. So our answer is, when we multiplying 42 by 2, so answer is 84. Now we will multiply 42 by 1. For this you can put a sign of cross here, or you can write here 0 also. Okay, now start doing multiplication. 2 ones into 1, 2 1 ja 2, so here 2. 4 into 1, so here our answer is 4. Now we will add these two numbers. 4 plus 0, 4. 8 plus 2, here 10, so here 0. 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5. So our answer is 504. Now let us discuss some another example. Suppose the cost of 1 pen is given to you. Suppose the cost of 1 pen is rupees 35. Okay, the cost of 1 pen is rupees 25, and you have to find out the cost of, what will be the cost of 15 such pens. Okay, the question is, the cost of 1 pen is given to you, that is 25, and you have to find the cost of 15 such pens. Okay, so in this question again, the value of one thing is given to you. Okay, the cost of one thing is 25, and you have to find the cost of more than one thing, that is 15 things. So we have to do multiplication in this question. So let us start doing multiplication. How you will write? The cost of one pen is given to you. How much? The cost of one pen is rupees 25. And what we have to find? We have to find the cost of how many pens? 15 pens. So the cost of 15 pens we have to find. How we can find these cost? We can multiply rupees 25 by 15. Okay, so let us start doing multiplication, and we will find the cost of 15 pen. So we have to multiply 25 by 15 and put a symbol of multiplication here. So here ones place and here tens place. Now again in the same way we will multiply 25 by 5. First of all we will multiply 25 by 5. So start doing multiplication. 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. So here 5 and 2 will add to tens place. Now here 2 tens into 5. So 5 2 ja 10. 10 plus 2 here. So 10 plus 2 12. So here answer is 125. Now we will multiply 25 by 1. So first of all we will put sign of cross here, or we will write here 0. Okay, we can use either 0 or cross sign here. Now start doing multiplication. 25 by 1. So at ones place here is 5 and here is 1. So 5 1 ja 5. So here I will write 5. At tens place 2 into 1. 2 1 ja 2. So here answer is 2. Okay. Now here are two numbers. We can add these two numbers now. So our answer is 5. 5 plus 0 5. 5 plus 2 7. Here 2 and here 1. 2 plus 1 here 3. So our answer is 375. Means the cost of 15 pence is rupees 375. We can find the cost of 15 pence. Okay. Now in this question what is 25? 25 is the multiplicand. As I have told you in previous lecture, 25 is multiplicand. What is multiplicand? Multiplicand is the number by which we are multiplying another number. The number to be multiplied. We want to multiply. Okay. Now what is 15? 15 is multiplier. As I have already told you in previous lecture, the multiplier, what is multiplier? Multiplier is the number by which we are multiplying a number. In this question we are multiplying 25 by 15. So 15 is our multiplier and 25 is our multiplicand. Okay. Now what is 375 here? What is 375? 375 is the product. Okay. What is product now? Product is the number which we are getting after multiplication. In this question, when we are multiplying 25 by 15, we are getting 375. So 375 is our product. Okay. Now in this way you can do multiplication of 2-digit number by 2-digit number. Students, you can see here the procedure is same whether we are multiplying 2-digit number by a 2-digit number, or we are multiplying a 3-digit number by 2-digit number, or it is 4-digit, or it is 5-digit. The procedure always will remain same in multiplication. We will always start from ones place, then tens place, and then hundred place, and so on.